And the crowd goes crazy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products. It's a podcast. We're looking at the number one top seller today and for the past few days from Ike Paz, and it's called Techo Royalty. Well, that's meaningless, but this is all about Kindle Direct Publishing, or as they call it, Amazon KDP, creating low content books with three different tiers, front end, pro, and elite. You can create a passive publishing empire with one-click AI generation. And AI really comes to play in these kind of things. I like to start at the finish. Right now, as we speak, it's $19. And I'll just rumble through here what you get inside. Drag and drop planner editor, build pages in your browser. 303 stock templates across 30 plus profitable niches. Bulk book builder, full planner in one go, 30 plus section types, habit grids, mood rows, Kanbans, Gantt strips, year calendar generator with dates and configurable week start, PNG and PDF export ready to upload and upload to Kindle, autosave and restore on load. You never lose work. There's a great 4-minute demo that's on the at the page. So I'm going to ask you, click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a pretty Techo Royalty logo. You click that and you're at the page where you can grab it for $19, watch the demo video and so on. On my page to start you off, bit of a description of how this works. Drag and drop engine to make planners, diaries, calendar books. That's what it's all about. Bit of a description, and then you scroll down, click the link, and you're there to grab it for $19. Check this out. This is AI, computerized, drag and drop, creating products for Kindle. You don't need to, everything is, you don't have to buy any more PLR. You don't need to do anything, use Canva. You don't need to get designers. You're going to create full planner books in one sitting, and $19 for this software. It's called Techo Royalty from Ike Paz. Click the link in the podcast description and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.